So I had a sister, a brother, and twin sisters. And I was born on the 11th birthday of my twin sisters. So it was, and we lived in a three-decker, which was, you know, the iconic immigrant image of a place to live. And we were surrounded by family. We lived on one floor of the three-decker. In the beginning, my grandparents lived on another floor, but then when they got older, they moved into my mother's apartment. I had aunts across the street, aunts around the corner, lots of cousins, and everybody in the neighborhood knew everyone else. It was more like a small town than it was a neighborhood. And let me see. Oh, for a time, my mother's brother lived with us because my family was faced with the challenge of raising 5 children in the Depression. And I remember it being extremely difficult, extremely hard. So one of my mother's brothers lived with us, and he was a paid boarder. That was, I think, fairly common. And I don't know how she did it. She managed to cook for all of us and keep us all clothed and keep the house clean. But it must have been a monumental task. But my memories are, you know, that it was sort of a sunny time, even though I was aware that my parents were struggling. But everybody was struggling, so, you know,